Okay, we're going to take a look at this Cosi Home Lightbox. So this is the A4 size that we've got here. They do an A5, which is about half of an A4 sheet. So let's have a look, see what we get in the box. So this must be a little packet. Oh, right. So we've got a USB cable and power socket on the end there with a barrel connector, and a packet of 100 different characters, some emoji characters in there as well. So we'll have a look in there in a bit. Let's see. All right, small instruction booklet. All right, so it's only the first 2 pages, the rest are in different languages. So it gives you the dimensions. It says that it takes 6 AA batteries or powered by USB, which we'll try today. Oh, and it's got 2 power settings. So let's have a look at the box. So it feels cheapish plastic, slightly textured there. It's quite light. Feels like one of those toolbox things where you put all screws and that. Some little cutouts to allow you to hang it on the wall. And there you go for the power socket for USB. Shame it's not a standard USB connector for that. And then a switch. So I guess that's 2. Look. So one is 5 volts DC from USB, and then the other one is battery powered or off in the center position. I thought it would be 2 different light levels. I thought that's what that was, but it's not. Okay, and then around at the other end, that's your battery panel. So I don't know what kind of power rating it is. I'll check that and maybe put it in the description. Don't know how long batteries would last. Okay, so we've got some of the emoji ones out. So that's what you get in the pack. No more than that. The rest look like they're all numbers and letters. Oh, and some symbols. Plenty of those. Oh. So it's up to you to separate these all out, and then I'm guessing you just take one off and then slide it in. There we go. Okay, so let's wire this up to a bit of power. So we'll take, where is it? This USB battery. And obviously you could power this off a USB power adapter. So let's take the power cable. All right. Which end was it? Plug that in. And switch it to the right. Oh, there we go. Thought it was quite bright. Let me turn that off and on again. Yeah, not bad at all. So that would be nice for the bedroom or pointing out of a window. Gives enough light without being too bright. And yeah, it seems pretty decent for the price. I can't remember how much we paid. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, it seems pretty good. So I'd recommend it. The number of letters and emojis you get isn't too bad. And I guess you could actually make your own. You just need a little bit of plastic and then maybe use some acrylic pens and make your own out of that. So that'd be kind of good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.